Hello guys! Today, I want to show you the benefits of drinking tea and why you should drink tea. Here, I have 3 kinds of teas. These are the teas that I usually drink. I want to share with you. So, stay tuned. Don't go away right after this. Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, let me show you how I make my teas. This one is the green tea. Green tea contains a catechin called EGCG, and catechins are natural antioxidants that help prevent cell damage and provide other benefits. EGCG is one of the most powerful compounds in green tea. The health benefits of tea. Tea contains antioxidants. Antioxidants work to prevent the body's version of rust and thus help to keep us young and protect us from damage from pollution. Tea has less caffeine than coffee. Herbal blends have no caffeine, while traditional teas have less than 50% of what typically is found in coffee. That means you can consume it without those pesky effects on your nervous system. Tea may reduce risk of heart attack and stroke. According to the study, those who drink more and more cups of green tea daily had a 32% reduction in the risk of having a heart attack and lower levels of LDL cholesterol. Tea may help with weight loss. Teas have type of flavonoid called catechins that may boost metabolism and help your body break down fats more quickly. Tea may help protect bones. Data from recent animal studies has shown that green tea may prevent bone loss. Tea may keep you smile bright. Japanese researchers have found that tea can decrease tooth loss. It changes the pH in the mouth when you drink it, and that may be what prevents cavities. Tea may boost the immune system. Studies have shown tea can tune up immune cells so they reach their targets quicker. Tea may help battle cancer. Studies on this are currently mixed, which means more research is needed. But in the meantime, if you've got a strong family history of cancer and you want to do anything you can, you might increase your tea consumption. Herbal tea may suit the digestive system. Herbal teas, in particular chamomile, can be good for people with irritable bowel syndrome because it is an antispasmodic, and ginger tea can calm nausea. Tea is a calorie-free. It is a great no-calorie alternative to water. It provides so many options for flavor and versatility. You can have it hot or cold. I hope that our video for today will find useful and helpful, and I do hope that you like it. So guys, try to drink tea at least once a day. Make a habit of drinking tea. It is good for your health. Thank you for watching. See you on my next videos. Matane!